Happy Monday. It is Monday's market update, and it is 6 o'clock. And if you're anything like me, how do y'all feel about all of this? Not even all this. How do y'all feel about the world becoming dark at 5:30? It makes me feel like I am like sprinting through my day. Like for it to be 6 o'clock and it's like pitch black outside, I'm like, and it's also making me, like, stay at home, like which is good because I do need to become more of a homebody because I have so many home projects, which they are coming along well, I'm excited about. I've gotten my office done, and I plan on doing a part of my closet next and getting some hardware, so that's been going, fairly well. Anywho, enough about me. Let's get into the market update for this Monday. Hope everyone is doing great. Happy Veterans Day. If you are a veteran and you're listening to this, we honor you. We love you. Thank you so much for your service. And yeah, I believe I text all my veteran clients a little voice message like, Happy Veterans Day. I love you. Thank you so much for putting your life on the line. So, oh, I actually didn't text one person. I gotta text them after this. Anywho, all right, let's jump into things. So, market update. So, if you are following the Feds and all the meetings that they're doing, the meeting last week for the Feds, they dropped it 0.25 points, which is good. So we are sitting right now. When I say points, this is what the federal like. They dropped the federal points, not necessarily mortgage interest rates. So if you want to follow more of what the mortgage interest rates are doing, you need to follow the 10-year treasury. So many people feel like when the Feds drop, interest rates drop automatically, and that is not always the case. So I just wanted to put that out there so you also know exactly what I'm talking about here. So they dropped 0.25. Right now, we are sitting at about a 6.92 interest rates. And they are saying that in December that we are most likely going to either hover and stay the same. They're not going to do any dropping, or they will drop, but it'll be like 0.25 again, most likely 0.25 in January. So there's not going to be any huge like dips or swings. I know a lot of people are like, I'm waiting for the market to crash. I'm waiting for the market to do something different so that I can finally get off the fence to sell or buy. Let me let you know now. Yeah, they are not going off of um, where you think that you can predict them because they're going to do their own thing. If the economy is looking good, like right now, it looks like more people are spending more money than ever. A lot of it is through credit card debt, but people are going to spend so much money between now and the end of the year because of holidays. So, my advice to you is to live below your means. And if, becoming a homeowner or selling your property is something that you desire, start now. I think that when you prepare, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So, that's going to be my biggest advice for you. Let's see what else. They are saying 65% chance of a drop, 0.25 in December. And then they feel like it's going to flatten out. They said again, maybe 2 point, the same drop like in November, the same in December and in January. But I will say this, think of it like this. Last year, interest rates were sitting at a 7.5 right now, like last year, around the same time frame. So you are truly in a better market. But I will say inventory is starting to pick up, which is nice. We're not fully in, well, some markets are in a balanced market, but some are not. Also, today is 11/11. So if you are wanting to become a homeowner or sell your property, what a better day to manifest that stuff, guys. Like, pray on it, really speak the right things. And I believe that like our words are so powerful. I don't think that we talk about that enough. And if you are planning on doing one of the other, buying or selling, or even becoming an investor, I would love to chat with you and just come up with a strategic plan for you because not one size fits all for everyone. And you do need to have a plan. I mean, I just got a buyer appointment that I just got on my phone, and people are starting to plan now. Like, the time is now. And if you think that interest rates are going to be a big factor of why you buy, no, you're going to buy because you need to buy. Life happens. You need to move. You need more space. You get married. You're having babies. You got a degree. You know, someone passed away. There's like life happens, and real estate is always going to be going. So the best thing to do is actually prepare. I will be having a future homeowner brunch for my buyers going in January. And then I am going to have a seller seminar for my sellers, people who are wanting to take equity out of their house or a HELOC loan to be able to go and invest and get their second property, third property, fourth property, all the things. And so we will talk all things and all events as I start to put them on the calendar, which next week I am going through the whole entire year and mapping out what all the events will be and what days they'll be on. So you guys will get the save the dates and you will hear it first, especially if you follow me on any social media platform. You will get that. And I'm also really wanting to start an investment group. And when I say an investment group, I wanted to call it a table for 12. A table for 12 because I want 12 individuals who are high profile, um, business owners who are in all different industries. So I'm of course going to be the realtor. I would love a CPA. I would love, a real estate attorney. I would love an estate planner. I would love a divorce attorney. So there's going to be someone at the table where we can all talk about what's going on in our business and how we can help each other. So I do plan to start rolling that out going into next year because I got this house to host more and I need to make sure I fulfill that actually hosting. Okay, so let me think about what else I want to tell you guys when it comes to the market update. So let's see. 25%. Okay, so last month when we got some numbers back, 25% of homes are selling over list price. So that's awesome for sellers. I know sometimes sellers get a little discouraged like is this a good time to actually put my house on the market? It is, especially if you're going to price it right. Because you just heard me. 1 out of 4 homes are actually selling over asking price. So that is beautiful for you. But that's also an opportunity for buyers because that's not all homes, 1 out of 4. So the other homes that are not selling over asking price, this is your opportunity to jump into the market. I have a closing tomorrow. My client, he is walking in with about $13,000 of equity, which is super awesome. And then I have another buyer that I just got on contract on Saturday. She'll be closing in 3 weeks. And that home was priced at like 569. We got it for 460 with $10,000 of concessions. They're buying down the rate. She's doing the buy down. So for the first year, she'll be doing a 3.9 interest rate. Second year, 4.9. And then the fifth year will be, not fifth year, the third year will be 5.7 or 5.9. And so there is so many opportunities, especially for new construction for my buyers. But also, like I said, sellers, there's opportunities for you because 1 out of 4 homes are selling over asking. So make sure that you are talking now to a real estate professional that you want to work with to either buy or sell, because this is a good time to strategize for what you want to do now or in the near future. What is the saying? When you fail to prepare, you prepare for failure. So make sure that you are planning now. Why not? Okay. Okay, let me see what else I want to tell you guys. Oh, so for Google searches, I know like you're probably like, why do we care about Google searches? Well, we actually track how many people are searching like new home searches or things to that extent. And that has gone up 12%. So that's telling you that homes, people are wanting. Sorry, I got people calling me. Hold on. Hey, I'm gonna call you right back. I'm on a live. Okay, bye. Okay, anyways, I'm about to go to dinner. So, um, yeah. So, anyways, that is what I'm going to advise people to do is to start planning now. I know right now, since most people are searching on Google, it's up 12% of home searches. People's confidence of buying and selling is up. So, what a better time to actually get navigate the actual space of what real estate looks like right now. Okay, let me see. What else do I want to tell you guys? I think that's really it. That's really the update. If you guys have any questions for me right now, it doesn't look like we have any comments. So I'm going to actually jump off. I know I usually do anywhere from like 10 to 30 minutes on these market updates. Today I'm cutting it a little short since I'm going to dinner. But not only that, like schedule a strategy session. It takes 15 minutes on those strategy sessions, what to expect. You expect us to get to know each other. I love to start off with like, tell me your story. Who are you? What's making you, what has made you take the step to actually schedule a strategy session? Like what's the motivation? And then I tell you a little bit about me and what it looks like to work with me. And then we walk through not the whole entire process, but what's next after hearing what exactly you need and what you want. And so I'm excited for you guys. There's opportunity everywhere. You just have to actually seek it out. So I trust that this has brought you value, and I love you guys. Until next time, peace.